Hey guys, so if you're like me and you don't like the new WordPress editor, you would rather prefer the classic version, then here's how to change the new one to the old one. So first things first, you need to go to your site and then log into your dashboard. I'm just gonna do that now. Alright, so in your dashboard, you just need to go to, well, first of all, if you just go to the post and then click add new, you're going to find the new block editor from WordPress, which I personally don't like it. I would rather prefer the old one, but yeah, so to do that, you gotta go to the plugins and then click on add new plugins. And here you see the classic editor. If you cannot really find it like in this place, you just need to just go there and then search for classic editor. And anyway, so you just need to click on that and then you can see how it is, and then click on the install now button. Yeah, so let it install. Alright, now just click activate. Alright, so now that it's done, well, let's go back to the post, add new. Here you go, the old, much better version for me at least. Alright guys, so that's about it. Thank you for watching.